In this video, I will show you how to perform Step 2 of the Connect box setup, searching and activating printers in your local network. Prerequisite for Step 2 is that you have activated the Connect box in LEIBINGER Connect. It does not matter whether you have established the connection to the internet via the local network or via the LTE stick. In this example, the Connect box is connected to the internet via the local network. Network settings in a local network can vary greatly. If you encounter problems setting up the Connect box, please contact your company's network specialist. You need a computer with a network connection. The computer's network connection must be set to DHCP. If you encounter problems establishing a connection, disable the Wi-Fi on your computer. You also need one free connection for your local network. Make sure that the connection allows access to the internet. Connect the computer's network connection to configuration port A on the Connect box. Make sure that the network connections of the printers are set to DHCP and that the LJ interface protocol is activated on all printers. Open the browser on your computer and enter the IP address 192.168.0.1 in the address bar. The login window for the Connect box user interface will appear. Log in with the username and password of the Connect box. You will find both on the type label on the back of the Connect box. Go to the General Settings page in the Settings and select Input B for the printer search. Then return to the dashboard and press the Scan button to search for printers in the local network. Printers connected to the local network will appear on the dashboard. Activate the printers that you want to appear in LEIBINGER Connect. Only activated printers will appear in LEIBINGER Connect. Log out of the Connect box user interface. Disconnect the computer from port A of the Connect box and connect the computer's network connection to the local network. Open a new tab in your browser and enter the address for LEIBINGER Connect in the address bar. Sign in to LEIBINGER Connect. You can now see the activated printers in the dashboard, the printers list, and the printer manager. That's it. You have activated the Connect box and added printers to LEIBINGER Connect.